Go, Cisco. He's happy now. Make sure it's recording.
Come on, miss. Annie, let's go inside. Here comes Annie.
There's Annie. Misty.
There you go.
Thought you were going to come out and pee in the grass. You usually do. Come on, girls. Come on. There goes Misty. Cisco, what you doing? Come on, Cisco. Woo. Come on. He's got a little bit of energy.
Lucy.
Lucy!